Yes, hello everyone. Again, this is a simple question. You can see here add an element at the beginning of the list. Right now, if you check the 2, 3, 4 is there, and I have to add a one element in the beginning of the list. Okay. So if you ask me, and you can check the final output is like this. If you ask me, sir, what is the best way to do that, and what are the different logics we can use? See, we can use you can use the collection model. In the collection model, you can use the DQ, and DQ also will help you to use double-ended queue. So double-ended queue, so that is also you can use, and you can use means you can use the predefined function like by default, that if you use the append function, so it add the element in the last. So you can use the left append also, like this kind of functions are there. But here normally we have an insert function, so we will use the insert function to get this kind of output. Okay, because in insert function we pass a two types of argument, guys. Okay, and what is that? First of all, just let me complete this. Okay. And I'm taking a very simple variable name. Okay. So yeah, what I was supposed to say, yes, insert function. So in insert function, what happen exactly when you call the insert function? Okay. So in insert function, you have to pass a two value. Okay. The first value is suppose like an index value. So at index number 0, and the second argument is the actual value that you want on that particular index. So first value is your index number, that is a 0. At index number 0, we want some value, and that value is a 1. Okay. And I just want to print my updated list, that is a. So this is a simple question I told you. Okay, so you can use it, and you can see here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So we have got this output also, and this is so simple output, a so simple logic. Okay, but this simple logic will help you to overcome or to understand a different kind of logic, because this simple logic will help you to solve the bigger picture and the bigger problem. Okay, we are talking about like lead code, hacker rank, or any other platform you're looking for it. Okay, there are multiple platforms are there. Fine, this is good, this is done. It is done. So let me show you. Okay,